Hey guys, Adrian here on the behalf of TechSocial.com, and today we're taking a look at Vine. And Vine is a really cool social network that's been out recently, and it was actually acquired via Twitter, or it was acquired by Twitter, I should say. And it's a really cool social network where the premise is basically create what you can in 6 seconds and share, a 6 second clip here, and the 6 second clip loops, and people get really creative. As you can see, some people will do some really funny or creative things here, all in a matter of 6 seconds, and all of that is loops. So what it allows you to do is you can follow people like any other social network. You can share it via Twitter as well. So you get a feed here. You can see my home feed will show me all the people I'm following. You can explore by via searching people and or tags. So you can follow certain tags, for example, like Vine portraits, Vine magic. So if I click on Vine magic, we'll see a whole bunch of people doing like magic tricks or anything of that sort with Vine. You also hear audio, so you can enable it so you hear audio. If they have audio playing in the background, you can hear audio on the vines here. Also, additionally, going back here, you can see activity. So you can see activity of all the people that have liked your post and or have followed you. And you can also see your own profile. So you can see my profile here with some of the vines I've made. Again, it's a really creative way, and it lets you take vines in a really awesome sort of way. What I'm going to show you here is you can click on the top right to also find people, so you can search via Twitter, your address book, and or just search usernames. So let's go ahead and make a Vine. It's really simple here. Going back to home, you can see in the top right you have that Vine logo in the top right. So I'm going to show you how to make a test Vine. So for example, I click on the top right, and it goes into my camera preview. And I know it's kind of dark here, but you can see my camera here, and this is the desk in front of me. Now, if I want to make a Vine here, I can simply just, what you do is you tap on the camera preview and you just hold. So you hold, and as soon as you let go, it stops, and then you can, change the camera angle, or maybe you're doing a time lapse of something. For let's say a flower growing, for example, you planting the flower, and then you'd hold it for a couple seconds, let go, and then you can plant the flower, and then hold again, and then you get the idea. Basically, you can hold down, let go, hold down, let go, hold down, let go, all in the matter of 6 seconds. So you're going to get really, really creative. So for example, I can just show this, let go. You can see that meter kind of shows you the time limit you have, and I can say, let's say, open the iPad here. So hold this, let go, and then we'll show it closing the iPad here. So let go, and you can see there that's enough time on its own, because you can use that just by itself. You can see the check time that comes into play there, but I can keep on going. So I can say hold this, let go, and then again I can just keep on kind of flipping all over the place to random things in the room here. And again, you get really creative with this. People can do all sorts of stuff here, and I know it's kind of dark so you can't see much. And then for last, we'll open up the MacBook here. And then that completes the Vine, and what it does here is it just loops all of those clips I took. Really, really simple. You can see there it kind of just jumps around, and sort of like a GIF, it just keeps on looping. So it lets you get really creative, and then you can hit next, and then add a caption to it, add a location, share in Vine, share it on Twitter, share it on your Facebook. Really, really fun application, really fun social network. It allows you to get really creative. And again, it's cool to kind of follow people and get really short snippets of things that they're doing. And again, people just get truly creative with this. As you can see here, some of the editors' picks are really cool. Definitely worth following people that you may already follow on Twitter and stuff, and see what they're sharing. It's just a cool way to share outside of text, outside of picture. It's kind of a really short video captured in 6 seconds. So check it out today. It's free in the App Store. Vine.